What does your mom do? She sells women's clothing. Oh, yeah. Where does she work? She has a small shop in the mall. Does she sells clothing for teens? No, she only has stuff for adults. What does your brother do? He is a university student. He studies engineering. Oh, does he live at home? No, he has a small apartment. Does he come home much? No, he doesn't. He doesn't have much free time. Oh, when do you see him? On the holidays. He calls my mom every week though. Where does your daughter go to school? She attends the local high school. Does she like her school? Yes, she plays sports and participates in many clubs. Oh, what sports does she play? She plays volleyball. She has a game tomorrow. Oh, I hope she wins. When does the movie start? It starts in about 10 minutes. Does it have a good reviews? It does. Everyone says it is a great movie.